What it is, welcome back to another episode of the B-Rock Survival Podcast, your number one podcast for health, fitness, and survival, teaching you how to survive in the matrix and getting you ready to thrive in nature. I'm your host, B-Rock Sorrell, and y'all see what that title is. 7 reasons camping packs are great bug out bags. So the reason I'm even doing this episode is because I'm a part of a lot of different type of men's groups or survival groups, and with a lot of things that are happening in the world, whether it's World War III, whether it's illegal immigrants coming over and people thinking that they're going to be used against the American citizens, a lot of people will talk about bugging out, living off the grid, what happens if the city gets overrun. And a lot of guys, it seems like they've never been camping, they've never really been out in the wild, they've been relegated to the city their whole life. So the first thing they always talk about is guns and what have you. So I know that the main thing that you're going to need, of course you're going to need a gun, but you're going to need a really good backpack. Most people are used to the backpack that you have when you go to school or for your day-to-day life. People who spend a lot of time outdoors, who go camping, know that if you need to go off the grid, if you need to bug out, that's not the type of backpack that you want. If that's all that you have, then that's what you have to work with. But if you have the time to do something in advance and get yourself prepared, that you're going to want more of a camping or a trekking backpack. So here I am today doing this episode, so let's get to it. So today we're going to ditch the ordinary school backpacks and dive into the extraordinary world of camping backpacks. So I want to go over 7 reasons why choosing a camping backpack is a game changer for your survival and bugging out. Number 1, they're built to brave the wild. Durability beyond comparison. When you're living off the grid, your gear needs to be as resilient as you are in order for you to survive. Unlike regular backpacks, camping backpacks are crafted from tough material with reinforced stitching and weather-resistant features. It's not just a bag, it's like off-the-grid armor ready to face the challenges of the wild for the long haul. Number 2, it provides space for your survival arsenal. Size doesn't really matter. Bugging out demands more gear than a stroll through the city. Camping backpacks have an ample space with specialized compartments for your survival essentials. From sleeping bags to portable stove, there's a designated spot for everything. It's your personal off-the-grid organizer, ensuring you're ready for whatever Mother Nature is going to throw your way. Number 3, comfortable outings, padded protection for extended treks. School backpacks might suffice for a short commute, but off-the-grid and survival living requires a different level of comfort. Camping backpacks equipped with padded shoulder straps, a hip belt that offers you a lot of comfort and feels like a hug, and a ventilated back panel so you could say goodbye to discomfort. School backpacks, hello to backpacks that make long treks feel like a walk in the woods. Number 4, tailored to you, adjustability for every survivor. We're all unique and so are our bodies. Regular backpacks offer a one-size-fits-all type of approach, leaving you with aches and pains, especially when extra pounds lead to extra pain. Camping backpacks understand that diversity is the spice of life, featuring adjustable straps and belts that tailor the backpack to your body. You'll have customized fit that ensures comfort during every survival situation. Number 5, adaptability at its finest. Your backpack's multi-tool features. Bugging out is unpredictable, and so is your gear's job description. Camping backpacks are the Swiss Army knife of the backpack world. Loops, straps, and attachments, points galore. Customize your pack for every adventure. It's adaptability at its finest, and that's what you're gonna need to survive until the end in an unpredictable world. Number 6, hydration ready. You can only survive a few days without water. Water is life, especially in a survival situation or bugging out. Camping backpacks are usually designed with hydration in mind, featuring sleeves and ports for water reservoirs. It might be game over if you need to find water every time you need to hydrate. Most camping backpacks have a special place where you can keep your water bladder. It's usually safe and secure, so once you find water, you can store it and you won't have to search for water nearly as often. And number 7, weatherproof to protect your gear. Survival and bugging out means facing the elements and tough situations head on. Regular backpacks might crumble under pressure, but not camping backpacks. Many come with built-in weather resistance, and for those that don't, rain covers are your gear's best friend. Keep your essentials dry, whether it's a drizzle or a downpour. So in a world of off-the-grid living, your choice of backpack isn't just a matter of preference, it's a strategic decision. Choose a camping backpack, and you're not just carrying your gear, you're carrying the spirit of an off-the-grid warrior. Stay wild, stay prepared, and here's to conquering the great unknown with your trusty camping backpack. If you like this type of content, make sure to show your boy some love, subscribe, turn on post notifications, check out my website and join my email newsletter and get a copy of my latest free book. Join me on Twitch, Discord, and Medium, and all of your favorite social medias. Everything is linked on the website. And also check out the Patreon. Until next time, this is your boy B-Rock Survival signing out. Peace.